Welcome back. We left off last time with writing the method for panel 3. We had panel 1 and then panel 2 and 3 we called it a different method, panel 3. So to test what we have, let's first get the camera back to the outside point of view. So I would, in the object tree, do methods, set point of view to, dummy cameras, outside. And in my first method, I'm going to call those first two methods panel 1 and panel 3. So now, if I run it, in order to run it, I got to do my first method in the events window. And the people show up, they go in, and it doesn't go to my room. Why? Because at the beginning of panel 3, it just has the dancing code. There's no command for the camera to go to from the outside to the inside. So at the beginning of panel 3, I need camera, set point of view to, inside. Camera, set point of view to, inside. Now if I run it, the people show up, they go inside to the party, and it goes inside. Now that doesn't look like the same house because it scrolls over. So in panel 3, I've got camera, set point of view to inside. I can go into duration and make that 0. And now if I run it, they show up, and then it's inside now. They're dancing. So now we're ready to take on panel 4, which is the fight. And then we could probably do 5 in the same video, which is a cut to the outside with the cop car. So we need to make a new method, and this will be panel, I'll just call it, I guess I'll call it panel 5, because we'll try to do 4 and 5 in one panel. So we've got panel 1, panel 3 was 2 and 3, panel 5 will be 4 and 5. So let's get our inside view back, because this is the fight. And we'll say methods, camera, set point of view to, dummy objects, inside, right? And let's just have, we'll change let's just have, for the simplest thing, let's have, because this guy here, the slacker, his arms are out. So maybe he moves forward and he slaps the nerd. So when it asks you to save, always try to save. So it only takes a split second to save. Let's have the slacker move forward. Maybe a meter. Let's see how move forward a meter looks. And he moves forward a meter. It's almost too much, right? So let's make this half a meter. And he moves forward. So now if I just have him turn to his left, we should be able to accomplish the smack. Turn left a quarter, rev. So he moves forward, he smacks, right? So now the nerd needs to turn backwards a quarter rev to go into the ground. So he moves forward, he turns, and then, yep. So, and he's also up, so maybe a move down of a little bit. I'll bring it in and do together so it looks like more of movement rather than a sequence of instructions. Turns, and yep, that's the fight. So at the end, we've got the cop car coming out. So let's go back to the other camera point of view, right? Methods, camera, set point of view to. We'll have to do this in the code too, but I'm just, let's do outside. And we're going to add objects. We're going to add a car. So search gallery. I don't know if I type in police, what happens. There it is right there. Okay. And I'll just spin him like this and move him off camera. So then I'll say methods move backwards 5 meters. He's off camera now. Now in the code I'll say, well, first we need to get this point of view, so we'll do camera, set point of view to dummy objects outside, duration 0. And then I'll have the car, the police car, move forward 5 meters. Okay. And let's see if we can get this all together now with a call to panel 5 in the world methods. Let's see how it looks. Play. Oh, I gotta fix this event handler up here. So when the world begins, do my first method. Play. They show up. They go in. There's dancing inside. Right? And then the fight. And then the cops show up. And we'll close this out in the next video. Thank you for watching.